facts you need to know about payday loans. Getting a payday loan may be justified under certain circumstances. Many people need help at some point in their lives. If you are considering a payday loan, don't be discouraged or feel embarrassed about it. Use this article to help you educate yourself to make your best choices for your situation. A payday loan will probably deplete the money you receive in your next paycheck. This will cause you problems in the next pay period that may send you running back for another payday loan. If you fail to consider the amount you will pay back, you might need another loan, which can result in a cycle of debt that is hard to break. There are a lot of places out there that can give you a payday loan. If you feel you need to use this kind of service, research the company before you take out a loan. Be sure that there have been satisfied customers in the past. Simply look up the company on the internet and take a look at what others had to say about them. Anyone who requires quick cash and who lacks other options may find payday loans to be the answer. However, before you take out a payday loan, you need to be sure you understand what you're signing up for. Interest charges are often quite high, and accompanying fees may make such loans difficult to repay. Don't lie on your payday loan application. Although you may be tempted to do this so that you can be approved for a large amount, putting knowingly false information on your application is fraud, which can result in a criminal prosecution. How much you can borrow from a payday lender depends on a variety of factors. The amount of your weekly paycheck will determine the size of the payday loan for which you qualify. Lenders gather data on how much income you make, and then they advise you a maximum loan amount. You must understand this when considering applying with a payday lender. Look into the payday loan company's policies so you are not surprised by their requirements. Lots of loan companies require for you to be employed for a minimum of 3 to 6 months. It is important that they know you will be able to pay back the money. Know that payday loan scams exist. Some companies claim they are a legitimate payday loan company. However, they may be lying to you so that they can steal your money. If there's a company that you want to borrow money from, read up on their credentials in the Better Business Bureau website. Before you sign a contract, be sure to get everything in writing so you have all information available to you. A lot of payday loan websites are just scams that will give you a subscription and withdraw money from your bank account. Be careful not to overdraw your checking account when paying off your payday loan. A bounce check or overdraft can add significant cost to the already high interest rates and fees associated with payday loans. When the days arrives for the payback amount to be deducted from your financial institution, always double-check to ensure that the funds are there. There are those out there that cannot rely on their income source sometimes. If you don't get a deposit and something unexpected happens, you could owe the loan company more. Anyone who is considering getting a payday loan would be wise to ensure that the lender is licensed by the state. Different states have different laws on who can offer payday loans. The lender you are applying for your loan from must have a license to do business in your state. If you are offered more money than you asked for in the first place, avoid taking the higher loan option. The more you borrow, the more you will have to pay out in interest and fees. Only get the money you need from the company. Build a good relationship with your loan firm. The reason for this is to remain eligible for future loans. Using the same loan company for payday loans helps you get bigger loans when you have a good track record with the company. Pay attention to how much your loan is going to cost you. Although these kinds of loans are known for having high interest rates, you just need quick cash sometimes. Payday loans can range in price from $100 to $1,500. The interest can be very high, and the loan usually needs to be paid off within 2 weeks to a month. Make sure you take all of this into account before taking out a loan. If you can't afford the interest, then you can't afford to get the loan. Usually a post-dated check is necessary to take out a payday loan. You must be certain that you will actually have funds in your account to cover the check on the specified date. You could get an overdraft charge if you don't have the money to pay for it. Only borrow money if you know you can pay it back. If you need a payday loan because of a stroke of bad luck, Don't make the assumption that you are due a stroke of good luck that is going to pay off the loan for you. If you just make a minimum payment, it will prolong the loan and its impact on your paychecks. One of the first questions you should ask when shopping for a lender is how much they are willing to lend. It can vary anywhere from the full amount of your check to just a small portion. If you conduct a bit of research, it is possible to save valuable time by identifying the lenders who closely match your needs. Now that you know how payday loans work, you may feel better about taking one on. Being informed about payday loan details can help you to make the wisest option for you and your situation. However, you should now be able to make decisions that make sense in regards to getting a payday loan.